Reels option not showing. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels option not showing easily and fast. So all what you have to do is so easy and simple. Just open the Play Store on your phone. If you have iPhone, you can open the App Store. After you open it, just search for Instagram in the search bar. When you search for it, you will find Instagram. Now all what you have to do here is click on this option. After you click on this option, it will start updating your Instagram app. Now, after it gets updated, all what you have to do now is very simple. Just restart your phone and then reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end.